name is Jonas. Normally I work with Siemens Wind Power, where I make blades, but now I'm also working with this online business. They're called Internet Lifestyle Network, also called ILN, and it is awesome, great business to work with. In the first 14 days I've been in the company, I made $20, and it is only a beginning. One of my goals is to have 6 or 8 figures income monthly, and I know it will also be a business for you, because there's a lot of training in ILN, leader training, how you market yourself, how you make attract marketing, and how you can make dream boards, where you can make your vision, where you set your goals. And one of my goals in this year is that help others to achieve their goals and their life they would like to have, and that is one of my purpose here in ILN. And if you would like to see more about what ILN is, then click the link below this video, and I'll see you soon. Bye.